Possession take a tremendous turn, you know what I mean? Yeah. Looking at my life and you will find hope. Ever sit down yet and write a suicide note? With a matic full of nothing funny, do not find joke. This land is like a quicksand and I could find rope. Fuck the music, make me sell some weed and we got buy coke. Life rough but man I try cope, and mama giant short. And hungry belly used to kill with yes, but man have high hope. Bust the cage man and touch the stage and sing some high note. Me go high for the family, them rock my boat. Murder poverty, their celebration like July 4th. Pussy switch up on my thing but me no cry for guy support. A 16 of them face I make them fight for life support. And no love and nothing more. Let's get the dirty floor, bring my dog, them pack up a tour. I never money know what job I go before. One side, get my blessings and my count and me live high. And when my wings and broken, me still.
One day I'll have a couple boys with to throw away from me too, you never know.
Almighty God, me like the sound of that, Miss Susie. You say, you're gonna have two boys from dash of you though.
I say you never know.
Never, alright, Miss Susie, you know what? We're gonna shake on to that.
No, we not shake no honey, no sir.
What do you mean by that?
No shake on business, not in this.
Alright, for you, I'll pick one.
Shake on can't carry a bank.
Alright. Why ID?
My ID, sir?
Yeah.
But what you want my ID for, sir?
You know, say shake on can't carry a bank, so I put something in my hand and give it to you.
My ID is 4, sir.
Alright, so Miss Susie. Alright, so you willing to shake me and let me give you something?
But we don't know what you're going to give me, sir. You can't for all I know give me something to set me up.
Man, me give you some.
To get me fired.
Some moolah, you know?
What the hell is that, sir?
Pocket, man. You know, man, the cheese, man.
You know, no habla español?
The cheese.
Cheese, sir. I don't eat cheese, sir.
I cash, man.
Nor do I eat bud.
I'm gonna fix why.
So you're basically wanting to have the judge in your pocket, sir?
No, I don't want no judge in my pocket. You're my friend.
I am your friend.
Yes.
And you know what I tell all my friends, sir?
Uh-huh.
Stay out of trouble, because when you come to court, we're no longer friends.
Alright, Miss was here. I'm gonna pick you up the power. Power, Miss Susie. I mean, I understand what I'm going to Miss Susie. Don't understand what I'm going.
Look like, far as I'm concerned, you look like you're trying to bribe me, sir.
I'm not trying to bribe me. You hear me say my friend, you ever try, whoever you
sir,
try to bribe
wait, sir, my friendship doesn't come at a cost, sir.
Yeah, loyalty, though.
My friendship is free. Loyal, yes. But my friendship doesn't cost. The minute you say something about money, sir, that means that's a business transaction.
No.
That means cheese, we're not friends. It's a business transaction. Cheese is the equivalent or similar to what you call in where you're from, sir, money. That's like you're bribing me, sir.
No, I would try that. I would never attempt to do such thing.
I cannot. Only one person can bribe me, sir.
And Azabi, don't.
Let me tell you that straight up.
And Azabi, don't.
Only one person can bribe me, and Azabi.
Alright, Miss Susan, I see how it I like to hear that, you know. I see how it
Glad we have an understanding.
Yeah, man, I see how it man. I'm glad to hear that, man.
But you never know, you know
what I mean? When am I forward?
Well, actually, he's very, very busy out of town taking care of some business. Hope I don't know. So, but hopefully he'll be here soon.
Alright, sir. When him forward, make him know,
so, what you trying to do, sir? You want to try to get my husband into illegal things, sir?
I did not, you see? I don't know what you're implying.
So, why you want to... Sir, I'm hanging out with my friend picking some apples.
Exactly. So what you talking about Zabi in illegal activities? Why you think I'll do such
Because
thing?
you just say when he comes, sir, you want to tell him you want to see him, sir.
So what, I can't link your husband?
Sir, I don't want no man to link my husband, sir. What are you talking about?
I just care don't I your place?
Why you say you can't manage me?
No, I'm just Susie. You're a little bit too much, though. Yeah, pressure my brain.
Alright,
pressure my brain. I like the sound of that.
Alright, my friend.
Someone had that.
But you know who else and they are friends, sir?
Who that?
The chief of police.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Me hate the youth with a passion.
Why, sir?
Let me say, you have got cut ties with him, you know.
Why, sir? He's
Let
my
me say,
friend.
a good thing, you my friend. Where you me say, no, man?
Why?
Let me say. See, ever you hear say that boy, they can't come in, Miss Susie.
Mm-hmm.
Just help me out, no, man. You know, say
Well,
after me, you know, me say, boy,
sir.
look for me, you know, Miss Susie.
What?
Yeah, man, me say, look for me, man.
So you was up to no good, my friend?
No, here I go now. I have a couple friends. You see me? Me I actually cut them off, you see me? Them the illegal activities, I'm get to find out. And them tell the police say, me do such thing, you see me? I never me, I them do it. Them a call my name, cause one of my cousin favor me, you see me? So the police have it say me, but I know me.
Hmm.
C3.
Hmm.
Yeah, Miss Susie.
Hmm. That
I know
sounds
this is
very fishy, sir. Very, very fishy.
no, when I deal with fish, you know.
You not eat fish, sir.
No, we consume some around.
You can't. Okay, so you consume fish, sir.
Swim around, consume
I
some
don't know
around.
what that is, sir.
Well, that's a fear problem now. Power no go pick, you know, pick two apple.
You know,
You know, we are doing it, Miss Susie.
you know, see me I look for picky apple,
Susie,
sir.
and a pretty pink shoes, and a pretty pink plaid blouse. Oh.
Thank you, sir. It's just a compliment.
Yeah, man, nice compliment. Yeah, well, nice and so.
Thank you, sir. I have to look nice, you know.
Yes. Sorry if you have it in the dirt still.
Me not understand how you can your
That's
friend come a country in a bush in her work
actually, if
clothes.
you do want change in Miss Susie, so
No, sir,
I
me never.
don't
Then,
no
sir,
pressure me brain, you know.
You did want to come in a clothing store, come see me a change. You must have mad.
No, I did not say that. I could have stayed outside, you know. They have changing room inside.
You could stay in here and close your eyes.
You see it now, then yeah, say if me did want come in there. You see? And now you contradict yourself. Susie, you know, see, I don't know judge though. You know, see, I don't know judge me, Susie.
What are you
I don't
trying to
judge
say,
me.
sir? What are you trying to say, sir?
I feel like you send couple people go to prison for no reason.
What you mean? Why you say that, sir?
Can you contradict yourself a while ago, Miss Susie?
No, I didn't.
You know, so when you're judge though, you have to say one thing and I hit though. You
I
know that, Miss
never
Susie?
contradicted myself, sir. Far from
You,
it.
you sure you know that a while
You
ago?
just weren't reading between, the lines of what I was saying or the context
Oh,
of
so
what
me
I was
read
saying.
between the lines. I not the right. The funny line.
The
It's the funny
context,
line.
you understand? You didn't understand the context of what it is I was saying, sir.
You know, so I never learn context clues in school, Miss Susie. So I not 100% understand it. You know.
You know, so me have some meat can at my apartment when me get from a pig. I don't know how to sell it.
I have to get rid of it, man. Pig. Where you get pig?
Me come up here the other day, me and Zabi and kill a butcher hog.
Jesus Christ, Miss Susie, a butcher.
And me say Zabi butcher they hog and give me the meat so we can have meat for
Oh,
dinner.
so him are the killer and you are the consumer.
He's the killer and I consume.
I
I
see, I
don't kill
see.
anything, sir.
Did you pray over the pig?
No, we're not eating yet.
The pig a halal?
We're not eating yet.
You know, cut the throat and bleed it?
Yes, sir, he did.
I wanna just beat it in my head. Run with it.
No man, he stabbed him, kill him. He stabbed him in the throat.
Almighty God, and hear them something. You know, Miss Susie, your husband has stab people, Miss Susie.
And he's very good at it too, sir.
Jesus Christ, me go talk to him. I link him, you know. Tell him when you're there, play. Here.
All right, sir.
Alright, Miss Susie.
Well, I'm gonna pick 2 more apple. Charger.
What me tell
My friend, you know, say care one guess, my friend.
yeah, man, I put some gas in it, my friend. My friend. I mean, like, I use up my friend, you know. Like, I use up my friend.
You go on, man. Your mouth
It's
sweet.
not enough gas, Miss
You go
Susie.
on.
Like, government need to fix that, man, Miss Susie.
Yeah, you have to put in a complaint with the government and let them know to listen the system now, right? You know. Sir, please don't kill off the man wife, sir. I need when he come home. I need to be alive when he gets home.
You will be alive. Probably just not with one limb.
I want him to come home and see me so I can kill him.
Oh, you're killing with Miss Susie?
Don't worry about that, sir.
Answer the question, man.
Me not have to tell you my personal, private business, sir.
Yeah, I know, but Miss Susie, we are friends, you know. We can't talk, you know.
Don't worry yourself.
You have a, other than your husband, you have a man best friend?
Do I have a male best friend? Yes, I actually do have a male best friend, yes. But he unfortunately is not doing so great. He is sick, and as such he wasn't even able to move. When we moved, we had to leave him behind.
Oh my gosh, what's his name?
Mr. P, sir. Silent P.
Mr. P is your best friend?
Yes, sir.
Man, Mr. P will be here.
He's me ride and die, sir.
Mr. P will be here, man. Mr. P will be here, Miss Susie. Don't worry.
Let me see if I have cash, can buy food.
I do cash, Miss Susie.
Not buy food, my friend.
Buy food, you just pick one holy purple. You don't see a craving. You don't see a craving.
But listen, listen.
Oh, come, man, come.
I think you carry apple them go sell them. I think you carry apple them go sell them.
Consume the apple them fresh apple you get from the tree. Judger. Come in, man. Susie, you can't be craving, Miss Susie.
But you say me supposed to eat organic?
Yeah, man, consume, man.
Alright, sir. From now on, I'll be consuming apples. So, sir, is it the only fruits that we can get? Apples, you couldn't get some strawberry and stuff?
So, you never said that?
And grape and them someday.
Can I go back up there?
Then you can come my farm, sir, and you only pick apple. Why you only come in? Let me ask you something, sir.
You know,
sir,
you see ladies, you know, so indecisive though.
Sir, listen. You carry me come up here to pick fruits, and you only pick apple. Why?
You know, say apple them say was the fruit from in the beginning.
That's exactly what I was thinking. If that's the reason why you just pick the apple, what are you trying to accomplish by that?
No, there's no. I'm not trying to accomplish nothing. Read between the lines.
That seems very, very, you know.
You see, I tell read between the lines, but you can't read between the lines.
I am reading between the lines, which is why I'm asking you the question.
Why you ask me if read between the lines and see right between the lines? That is it. Say no more, right?
I hope when I take it between the lines, sir, you don't complain.
No. Why would I complain? Gratitude is a must. Yeah.
You know I'm not going to be the only one between the line, right?
That was a mad. Hey, Miss Susan, let me show you something, Miss Susan. Let me show you something real quick, Miss Susan.
Okay.
See the youth, yeah? See him?
Yeah, we see
here. Alright. Betsy talk louder than me.
Sir, are you threatening me, sir?
No, I did not talk to you. No, not you. I'm just saying, you know. Susie, we're friends. Why would I threaten my friend?
I don't know.
Susie, you take me as a friend or what?
Of course you're my friend.
I understand how you have move like this in Miss Susie.
Of course you're my friend.
That is it. Best friend?
No, that place is reserved for one person.
You can't be best friend, Miss Susie.
And that one person will always be that person, that one best friend.
You want to call Miss Susie?
That's Silent P. No, Safi, do I not cook soup?
That's great. That's soup alone. You know where boy
That's
can't
a job. You cook soup and stuff.
I want orange, Miss Susie.
I want orange, I want strawberry, I want grape, I want guinea, I want plum.
I'll get some orange and the Susie, right? An orange Miss Susie, it's a pumpkin.
Sir, this a pumpkin, sir. Why you can't make a pumpkin pea, sir?
Wrong address.
Is it another thing you're trying to show me, sir, with the pumpkin, sir?
Judge.
What to you, my friend? We need to take a temperature. You alright?
You know, my temperature is very good though.
Oh, cause I think you're off a little bit.
So somebody's here now, Mr.
So what, sir? What you call? You have your friend with you, don't it?
Alright, that is it.
Okay.
Alright, since you're my friend, I'm parking at Miss Susie. Yeah. Can park at Miss Susie?
You can park anywhere you want, sir, as long as there's a clearing where we can jump in the car.
Alright, Miss Susie, follow. Come in, we get some stuff over here. So. Hold on, so you want to overpick them and wash them and them thing?
Sir, I'm not working at the market. We just need some fruits to put in my pocket, sir. We're not selling fruits, sir.
We want to wash it first.
When we go home, we wash it, sir. Or when we go back to the apartment, I wash it.
Possession take a tremendous turn, you know what I mean? Yeah. Looking at my life and you will find hope. Ever sit down yet and write a suicide note. With a matic full of nothing funny, do not find joke. This land is like a quicksand and I could find rope. Fuck the music, make me sell some weed and we got buy coke. Life rough but man I try cope. And mama giant short and hungry belly used to kill with yes but man have high hope. Bust the cage man and touch the stage and sing some high note. Me go high for the family, them rock my boat. Murder poverty, that celebration like July 4th. Pussy switch up on my thing but me no cry for guy support. A 16 of them face and make them fight for life support. And no love and nothing more. Let's get the dirty floor, bring my dog, them pack up a tour. I never money know what jam I go before. One side, get my blessings and my count and me live high. And when my wings them broken, me still fly.